Hi all, welcome back to our channel Sankalp to explore India. Please subscribe to our channel and support us. Like the video and leave your valuable comments. From Peling we traveled to Gangtok and stayed overnight at Hotel Pearl Retreat. Hotel is decent with clean rooms and toilets. We started our journey from Gangtok towards Lachung with sightseeing on the way. Lachung is a mountain village close to the Tibetan border in the northeastern Indian state of Sikkim. It is divided by the Lachung River. We first came across a viewpoint where we were expecting a glimpse of Mount Kanchenjunga. We could not get the glimpse of it, but view was breathtaking from this viewpoint. For today night we have a plan to stay at Lachung and explore Yumthung Valley, 0 Point tomorrow. The journey between lush greenery itself is very relaxing and peaceful. Next destination in the list is Seven Sister Waterfall. At a distance of 32 kilometers from Gangtok, Seven Sister Waterfall is a scenic waterfall located on Gangtok-Lachung Highway of Sikkim. It is one of the famous waterfalls in Sikkim and also one of the top Gangtok tourist places. The Seven Sisters Waterfall is an extremely captivating waterfall which got its name because it is said to fall in 7 stages. However, visitors can see only 4 stages from the bottom. The rest are way higher and hidden between the rocks. The magnificent view of refreshing water with a background of lush mountains casts a spell on the visitors with its charm and make it one of the most visited and photographed waterfalls in this region. A small footbridge crosses over the stream to give the clients a better view and photographic break. To facilitate the tourists to savor the pristine beauty and to be with nature, Tourism Department has set up a waiting shed and a cafeteria where visitors can take a refreshing break. We continued our journey towards Singhik Viewpoint. Located on the wayside of Singhik, the Singhik Viewpoint is known for offering an all-encompassing views of the high mountains, including Mount Kanchenjunga and other neighboring spots. The point where the rivers Teesta and Kanaka meet is found just underneath this vantage point. Our last place to visit today would be Naga Waterfalls before reaching hotel. The Naga Falls sits somewhere along the Gangtok-Chungthang road and is easily one of the most spectacular places to visit in Lachung. Another one of the tallest waterfalls in Sikkim, this multi-tiered cascade is veered a little ways off the beaten tracks and offers wonderful solitude and respite from the most popular sites in Lachung. Teng Tunnel is a road tunnel on the Chungthang-Mangan Highway in North Sikkim. The 578 meters long tunnel is the longest tunnel in the state of Sikkim. This is the view near a shop where we stopped for a little snacks. After this we headed towards our hotel, Delight Royal Lachung. Location of this property is awesome and the food provided by the authority is very good quality. The view from the balcony and window is mesmerizing both in day and night. Take a look at view from hotel. Early morning before we left for Yumthung Valley. We started our journey to Yumthung Valley at 7 a.m. after completing our breakfast at hotel. We witnessed snowfall for the first time in our life. We cannot explain this feeling in words. If you are an adventurous traveler, a February trip to the northern hill station of Lachung should be on the cards. This town sits at 9,000 feet and is the ideal getaway. Situated 25 kilometers from Yumthang and at 15,000 feet, 0 Point is naturally majestic as this is where three rivers meet and the mountain peaks loom in the background. 0 Point is almost always snow-covered, and if you are here in February, be prepared for snowfall fun. Due to extremely slippery road, we could not reach the peak of 0 Point. Finally, we came back to Yumthung Valley and had snacks at shops nearby before we headed back to our hotel for lunch. Yumthang Valley comes under restricted area and under control of Indian Army. So you need a permit to visit the same. It can be obtained from Gangtok. There is no accommodation available in Yumthang. The nearest habitat with accommodation is in Lachung, with 27 kilometers away from Yumthang. A minimum of 1 night stay in Lachung is mandatory, may extend to 2 nights. Yumthang Valley altitude is 11,800 feet. There might be altitude sickness or breathing problem. So please carry necessary medicine. Persons already having breathing problem are not advisable to go. Only complete packages are available for Yumthang, including transfer, sightseeing, accommodation and food. It cannot be customized. Mostly veg meals are provided. Road condition is very bad as it runs on stony moraine. So choice of vehicle is limited. Max, Scorpio and Xylo are available. Small car cannot move to North Sikkim. Carry warm clothes irrespective of weather. Winter will be chilling cold and require heavy woolen. Please carry sufficient cash for personal as there is no ATM POS in Yumthang. Snowfall which started in morning was still there. I hope you can see it in video and enjoying it. By the time we reached hotel, weather was clear and we could clearly see mountains around the hotel. We completed our lunch and headed back to Gangtok. We had booked the same hotel Pearl Retreat at Gangtok for overnight stay. There are no words to explain today's journey. We experienced many things for the first time, like snowfall, snow-filled roads and majestic views in life today. Finally, we reached Gangtok at around 7 p.m. and went to explore MG Marg. Please like the video if you like our efforts in making video. Subscribe to channel if you have not yet and leave your valuable comments. See you soon with part 3 video. Signing off, Sankalp.